Have you ever felt it? That quiet hum in the air just before a storm. The sky darkens, the wind picks up, and you know something powerful is coming. This is nature's own drama, a spectacle of raw energy we call a thunderstorm. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of the storm to understand its incredible power, its surprising beauty, and its very real dangers. This is a journey you won't want to miss. So, what exactly is a thunderstorm? It's much more than just rain and noise. It's a magnificent atmospheric engine, and it all starts with a simple recipe. Warm, moist air near the ground and cooler, drier air above. The sun is the spark that ignites this engine. It heats the ground, which in turn warms the air just above it. Warm air is lighter than cool air, so it begins to rise, carrying moisture with it. Think of it like a giant, invisible hot air balloon. As this parcel of warm, moist air ascends, it enters a region of the atmosphere where the temperature is much colder. This causes the water vapor within the air to cool and condense, forming tiny water droplets or ice crystals. These particles gather together, creating the massive, towering clouds we know as cumulonimbus clouds. These are the giants of the sky, the true homes of thunderstorms. They can stretch 4 miles, reaching altitudes higher than commercial airplanes fly. Inside these colossal clouds, a chaotic dance is taking place. The rising warm air, called an updraft, jostles against falling raindrops and ice crystals, which are pulled down by gravity in a dump. This constant collision and friction create an electrical imbalance. The top of the cloud typically becomes positively charged, while the bottom becomes negatively charged. The ground below the storm also develops a positive charge, attracted to the cloud's negative base. The atmosphere, which is normally an insulator, can't hold back this immense electrical tension forever. And then, it happens. A massive, brilliant discharge of electricity streaks through the sky, attempting to balance the charges. We call this lightning. A single bolt of lightning is unbelievably powerful. It can be hotter than the surface of the sun, reaching temperatures of up to 50,000 degrees Fahrenheit or 30,000 degrees Celsius. It travels at speeds of over 200,000 miles per hour. This isn't just a flash of light. It's one of nature's most potent forces, capable of splitting trees, starting fires, and releasing enormous amounts of energy in a fraction of a second. But what about its famous partner, thunder? Well, that explosive sound is a direct result of the lightning. When a lightning bolt tears through the air, its intense heat causes the surrounding air to expand violently and rapidly. This expansion creates a powerful shock wave, a sound wave that ripples outwards from the lightning channel. This is what we hear as thunder. Because light travels much faster than sound, we always see the lightning before we hear the thunder. You can even estimate how far away a storm is. Just count the seconds between the flash and the boom, and divide by 5. That's roughly the distance in miles. While thunderstorms are a breathtaking display of nature's power, they are also genuinely dangerous. Lightning is, of course, a primary threat. It's a common misconception that lightning only strikes the tallest object. In reality, it can strike anywhere. So the safest place to be during a thunderstorm is indoors, away from windows, and not using any corded electronics or plumbing. If you're caught outside, avoid open fields, tall trees, and bodies of water. But lightning isn't the only danger. The powerful downdrafts within a storm can create strong, damaging winds called These can cause destruction similar to a tornado. Hail, which is formed when frozen raindrops are repeatedly carried up and down within the storm cloud, can grow to the size of golf balls or even larger, causing significant damage to cars, crops, and buildings. And, of course, there's heavy rain, which can lead to flash floods, one of the most deadly weather-related hazards. Yet, for all their danger, there is an undeniable beauty to thunderstorms. There's the dramatic contrast of a dark, brooding sky against a sunlit landscape. The intricate, branching patterns of lightning are like nature's own fractal art, a fleeting masterpiece painted across the heavens. The sound of rain can be incredibly soothing, and the air after a storm feels fresh, clean, and renewed. Thunderstorms are also vital for our planet. They bring essential rain to dry areas, and lightning helps to convert nitrogen in the atmosphere into a form that plants can use, acting as a natural fertilizer for the Earth. They are a crucial part of the global weather system, helping to transport heat and maintain balance. So the next time you see those dark clouds gathering on the horizon, remember what's happening inside. It's a story of rising air, colliding particles, and the spectacular release of energy. It's a reminder of the immense power and intricate beauty of the natural world. Respect the storm, stay safe, but also take a moment to appreciate the incredible show that nature is putting on. Thank you for joining us on this nature quest. We hope you have a newfound appreciation for the power and wonder of thunderstorms. If you enjoyed this journey into the heart of the storm, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more adventures into the wild world around us. Stay curious, and we'll see you on the next one.